Okay, well this is a paper airplane design. It's very forgiving, as you'll see. I'm just ripping paper out of a catalogue. So first we fold in half. And it's best to score it down the middle there. And cross it over like so. On the other side. Score that side as well. Then we bring in these two sides. Grab the top two here. And pull out. And just push it down. And fold each of these flaps up. And fold in half. Now the wings, there's no set signs to, just sort of fold on a bit of an angle, as you'll see, like that, and flip over and do the other side. And there you go.